The 12 Labors of Hercules, Part 3. Labor number 9 involved the beautiful belt of Hippolyta, queen of the Amazons, a tribe of women warriors who fought on horseback. Hercules raised another army of volunteers and led it across the Aegean Sea into Asia Minor. At first he tried tough diplomacy and simply demanded the belt. Surprisingly, Hippolyta seemed willing to give it up. She may have been impressed by this brisk and brusque young soldier. The other Amazons, however, thought their queen was being taken captive, so they attacked the Greeks. It was quite a battle. Europe against Asia, men against women, but Hercules' men won, and Hercules brought the broad belt back. The 10th labor involved the longest journey to an island, Eurythia, located off the Spanish coast, where there lived a dreadful monster, Gyrion, who had 3 bodies joined at the waist. Another, lesser monster guarded his cattle, along with a 2-headed dog. These beasts were laying waste to all the lands in the area, creating a state of disorder without any effective government. Hercules' job was to bring back Gyrion's cattle. On his way to battle the monster, Hercules built 2 gigantic pillars, one on either side of the straits that are now called Gibraltar, where the Mediterranean Sea meets the Atlantic Ocean. For thousands of years these pillars were called the Pillars of Hercules. When he arrived on the island, he killed the 2-headed dog with his club, then killed the guardian monster and shot the 3-bodied Gyrion with arrows. He drove the cattle back by a land route through Europe. He also taught the people of the island the ways of law and stable government, a great accomplishment for a man who had been a slow learner in school. The 11th labor was to fetch the golden apple of the Hesperides, guarded by the 3 fair daughters of Atlas, along with a great dragon. This task was even more difficult because he did not know exactly